Well, this question says that Jim had 400 more bits than Joe at first. After Jim gave 70 bits to Joe, the ratio of Jim's bits to Joe's bits became 3:2. So how many bits did Joe have at first? Alright, firstly, we know that Jim had 400 more bits than Joe, so Joe had lesser. So we draw Joe's model to be 1 unit, and hence Jim's model will be 1 unit plus 400 at first, as such shown here in the model. Alright, after Jim gave away 70 to Joe, then the ratio became 3:2, as that of Jim is to Joe in the end. So in the end, the model looked like this. In the end, Jim will have 3 parts and Joe would have 2 parts. And the difference of Jim's models in the end, as compared to at first, will be 70 lesser, because Jim gave 70 to Joe. And that for Joe, Joe would have 70 more than at first. Hence, 2 parts is 70 more than 1 unit, and therefore 3 parts is 70 less than 1 unit plus 400 for Jim's model. And by looking at this part of the model, we know that 1 part is equal to 400 minus 140, or rather 1 part plus 70 plus 70, that equates to 400, and therefore shuffle around, 1 plus 140 is 400. Therefore 1 part is 400 minus 140, that gives us the value of 260. Alright, that is for 1 part. Alright, and then we look at Joe's model. Alright, we ask how many bits did Joe have at first, so we look at the model of Joe at first, which is 1 unit, so we got to find 1 unit. Alright, and looking at this portion of the model, we know that 1 unit is equal to 2 parts minus 70. Alright, and since 1 part is 260, therefore 2 parts is 520, so we take 520 minus 70, that gives us the value of 450, and therefore Joe had 450 bits at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.